Somebody's heart gets broken, usually it's mine. Kaunasa! I don't want to take a chance of being hurt again. You and I can't say goodbye. So if you wait and let me go, oh baby, carry on. See, I need my fantasy. I still believe it's best to live without a Oh, this is Judith. Nag-love shout out to Judith. Watching ka, Onesta. Hello. Ay, nag-love shout out to Judith. Thank you so much for coming to Judith. Saglit lang pala to. Okay, back to you, Lay. Parang ang tagal ng oras, Lay. Ano, parang kanina pa tayo, Lay, pero wala pa tayo, parang hindi pa tayo nakapag-isang oras.
Kaya nga, ang tapos-tapos, Ma'am Shane.
Student, nag-love shout out to student. Maraming salamat po sa pagdalaw. And the rest, and kay Sir Bon. Thank you so much, Sir Bon. Sana all my basta. Ikaw naman, Lay, Malapit na, guys. Ayan, 15 minutes na lang. Sir Michael, hello. May shout out, Sir Michael Kiambao. May shout out. Thank you so much, Sir Michael. And of course, thank you so much sa pagpasuso you guys sa happy lunchtime po and happy merienda time na mamaya na po.
Merienda natin, Ma'am Shane. Mukhang ako naka-lunch.
Hindi ako nag-lunch. Ngoy-ngoy pa more.
Ate, anong oras na? Wala pa. Hindi ako nag-gutom eh. Ito na.
Nutrilin has more nutrients than other multivitamins. Give them more with Nutrilin.
Cause what would I hurt you? Did you have to hurt me too? Did you think revenge will make it better? I don't care about the past. I just want your love to last. There's a way to bring us back together. I must forgive you. You must forgive me too. If you wanna try to put things back the way they used to be, there's no sense in going over and over same things as before. So let's not bring the past back anymore. Out of all the good we had, you only keep track of the bad. Though you knew I never really loved her. No, 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 no. Didn't anyone tell you yet? To forgive is to forget. How can you be mad if you don't remember? I must forgive you. You must forgive me too. If you wanna try to put things back the way they used to be, 'cause there's no sense in going over and over same things as before. So let's not bring the past back anymore.